Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting to talk about, the 2026 update of the Renault Austral. If you've been keeping an eye on the world of cars, you know that the Renault Austral is no stranger to innovation, and for 2026 it's bringing even more to the table. Let's dive right into what makes this model stand out. First things first, the design. Renault has really refined the Austral's look for 2026. It's got a sleek, modern vibe that blends aggressive lines with smooth curves. The front grille is more prominent. The headlights have been redesigned with a sharper, more angular shape, and the whole car looks, well, just more premium. Whether you're in the city or cruising the highway, this SUV is sure to turn heads. Now, inside is where things get really interesting. Renault has really focused on comfort and tech here. The dashboard features a massive digital display integrating everything from navigation to climate control. It's super intuitive with a clean, minimalist layout that just feels futuristic. And speaking of tech, this 2026 model comes with an advanced driver assistance system, including semi-autonomous driving features. It's all about making your drive smoother, safer, and more effortless. But hey, before we get into the performance and hybrid options, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the new Australia. I'd love to hear what you think. All right, back to the performance. The 2026 Austral isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood, it's all about efficiency and power. Renault has introduced a new hybrid powertrain, combining a petrol engine with an electric motor. This means better fuel economy, lower emissions, and a driving experience that balances performance with sustainability. Plus, the handling is as smooth as ever thanks to the adaptive suspension system that adjusts to road conditions. To wrap it up, the 2026 Renault Austral is the perfect blend of style, innovation, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a family car or a tech-savvy ride, this one is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think? Will you be checking out the Austral 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. See you next time.